Hello, welcome to today's lesson. Let's go over today's lesson objective. So today we will demonstrate the commutative property of multiplication and practice related facts by skip counting objects in an array model. All right, let's go over some vocabulary. Quick review of what an array is. An array is objects or numbers arranged in equal rows and columns. What is the commutative property? So the commutative property states that numbers can be multiplied in any order and the product will be the same. The product is the answer. So the commutative property is saying that 6 times 7 is the same as 7 times 6. Let's go ahead and find out if that's true. Okay, so over here we have an array diagram. So let's go ahead and let's go ahead and count and see how many total circles we have by skip counting. So I see that I have 2 circles in each row, so let's skip count by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, so I have 4 rows of 2, which is going to equal 8, right? So here I have my 4 rows over here. And in each row, I have 2. So altogether, we have 8 dots. All right, now let's go ahead and see what would happen. What if I were to flip my diagram over to 90 degrees, or just kind of turn it over to one side? And let's see what would happen if we do that. Let me go ahead and take away our skip counting by 2s, and let's go ahead and skip count by 4, since now I have 4 in each row. So let's go ahead and skip count by 4. 4, 8. So this time I have 2 rows of 4, and that still equals 8. Okay, so we just looked at 2 different multiplication sentences. 2 times 4 and 4 times 2. So true or false? 2 times 4 is equal to 4 times 2. This is true. We had 2 times 4, which is equal to 8. And then we did 4 times 2, which is equal to 8. So it is true, they are equal. But maybe we just got lucky. Let's go ahead and try one more example just to make sure. All right. Let's go ahead and look at another array diagram. Okay, so in this one, it looks like I have 4 groups of 3. So I have 3 objects in one row. So let's go ahead and skip count to see how many circles we have all together. 3, 6, 9, 12. So my multiplication sentence for this array is 4 times 3 equals 12. Okay, now let's see what's going to happen if we flip our array. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of those numbers so we can start counting our rows. So this time we don't have rows of 3, we have rows of 4. So each row has 4 circles. So let's skip count by 4. 4, 8, 12. So our multiplication sentence is 3 times 4 equals 12. But it looks like they both are going to equal 12. So, true or false? 3 times 4 is equal to 4 times 3. This is true. So, we can flip our factors, or the numbers that we are multiplying by, in this case 3 and 4, we can switch their orders and we'll get the same product or the same answer in a multiplication sentence. That's pretty cool. All right, let's go ahead and review today's lesson objective. So today we demonstrated the commutative property of multiplication and practiced related facts by skip counting objects in array models. All right, everyone, thank you so much for going over this lesson with me and learning about the commutative property. That was so interesting, right? All right, y'all, I'll see you later. Have a great day. See you next lesson. Bye, everybody.